Welcome to the Stat Tree video module for Factorial Multivariate Analysis of Variance. To test whether there are differences between two or more categories on two or more continuous variables, the Factorial MANOVA would be appropriate. You will need two categorical variables and two continuous variables in order to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, demographic question A is categorical with two values, and B is categorical with more than two nominal values. Any one of the scale questions 3 through 7 would be appropriate for the continuous variables for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use questions 3 and 4. To run the two-way MANOVA for differences in Spider, type in the following Python code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module. If you've already saved your code, press on the File Open icon above the editor pane. Browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Python will generate an output in the console window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is the significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find those significance figures here. In this test, we have met our significance criteria for both interaction and main effects. Here are your test results. You would report these figures as well as the p-value for those significant findings. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the Stat Tree module.